Okay, I'm starting up a second one because a phone call comes in and then my video cuts off. Just outside this window is a beautiful little tangerine tree with, looks like plenty of fruit ready to pick. Pretty doors on these closets with the wood treatment. These two definitely upscale. That's bedroom 1. Here is the bathroom. It's just the 2 bathrooms. So here's this one. And the second bedroom. It's got a broad wood crown molding. Gives it a sort of a flair of a craftsman style. Bedroom 3, more fruit out the window. They obviously like fruit. Fruit trees, utility room, pretty good storage there. Here is the closet. There's this. You can get exact measurements, a pretty good size. And so here's the master. And off the master is a patio with an ocean view, which you cannot see right now because it's gray. But very, it was pretty darn good ocean view out there. Here's the master bath. Really cool. A lot of very stylish touches here. And so let's go out and have a look. Here's the deck. And side yard, those fruit trees are got it strategically set up so there's a fruit tree out every bedroom window. There's the ocean, and it's kind of a little, kind of minor canyon. Really cute, really super cute. There is a pool, so let's go have a look at that. This is Trex decking, so have the maintenance. And there's our pool. Not gigantic, but sure is cute. And then a little outback sort of bar kitchen situation. And then back in this way, the dining, gorgeous 2-sided fireplace there. And a nice sized kitchen. They've done some really interesting choices with the cabinetry and the lighting, just in general. It's kind of a custom contemporary feel. And then here's a separate dining area, and then this is what it looks like looking out the front. And here's that fireplace from this side. All right. And that is the Corona.